everybody and welcome to day 2. So today we're gonna do 100 reps of crunches. So very simple, very basic exercise which everybody has to know about and has to master it before we go into any more complex exercises. So let's go and do these 100 crunches together. The starting position is nicely on the back and we're gonna put your hands behind your neck. It's like we're just touching your finger just on the top of your head and in the back of the head, and make sure that you're pressing your lower back to the mat. When we're doing crunches, a lot of people will do it like this. Okay, that's not the right thing. Always have in mind like a fist between your chin and the collarbone. You go like this, and that is your space. You look straight up into the ceiling or to the sky, and then you just lift yourself up, crunch it, squeeze it, yeah, exhale, inhale on the way back down, and then again, yeah, and exhale. Okay, make sure that you're pressing your lower back to the mat. Okay, so if we're ready, we're gonna do 2 times 50 reps, and I suggest this. We just start. You're gonna place the hands behind your neck, okay, on the bottom part of your head, and we go 1, 2, 3, slow and control, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 25, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. Now you should already feel it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. You feel the engagement of the upper part of your abs. Yeah, so but you're still gonna feel the entire chain of your core because it's interconnected, but more or less the burning will be on the top part. Yeah. Okay, so if you're ready, let's go for another 50. Like I said, you can also have your hands here. You can have them up as well if you want to. Just play around. Okay. Now the second one will be a little bit harder, so you can just play around with the arms, with the hands, and let's go. So up, reaching up. 2, 3, go a little bit higher. 4, 5, exhale up. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now we can have arms crossed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, and again back. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40, I guess. I love the counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 50. Oh, and here you have it, 100 crunches. Very safe, very effective exercise for your core, for strengthening your core. Remember, we can never spot reduce fat, so in order like to lose a belly fat that you're gonna do like 1,000 crunches or 1,000 any other ab exercises, it won't work like that. Okay, I suggest full body workouts, weight training, cardio at the same time, and like overall fat reduction from your body. Okay, so if we would have, let's say, spot reduction, that means like I want to lose here and here fat and here fat, like everybody would have perfect bodies according to their wishes, but our bodies do not work like that. Okay, so I hope you like this challenge for today, and I see you tomorrow with another one. Ciao, ciao.
I've been fighting everything you say. I've been trying to go the other way, but I can't seem to get you out of my head. Out of my head. I've been fighting